Bitcoin's alive, what you gon' do? Mempool fees are high. Ordinal. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. It's a revolution, ayy. Bitcoin is the one, no substitution, ayy. With Shizzy and Yagobi, it's Ordinal Revolution.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Ordinal Revolution.
What's going on? We're just trying to do a tutorial video for you guys today. The Foxxi Bitminers, they're actually activated to where you can activate your Bitminer, maintain it, and you can start earning right away. Shizzy is already earning on multiple of his Bitminers. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make it real simple, straight to the point, and I'm going to read through some of the user guide here, though. So we'll start off with the Bitminer user guide. We'll put this link in the chat to help you, in the description to help you guys out. But here we go. So the Bitminer user guide, Bitminer DMT UNAT. Introduction. So with Bitminer activation, you are witnessing a one-of-its-kind, unique experience like never before. We've poured extensive research and innovation into making this a stable and thriving economy. We are deeply grateful to everyone who minted or purchased miners. You are all a part of history in the making. And if you are new and want to mint some Bitminer, click here. So this link will take you to minting the Bitminer there. It says, please keep in mind that since this is a new platform and beta, there are there may be occasional glitches. However, with your support, we are committed to making the experience seamless and enjoyable. So if you guys are experiencing like glitches, report them back to Foxxi's team and their Discord there so they can make it a better experience for everybody. It says we have exciting features being developed behind the scenes, and each week we'll roll out new updates to amaze and engage you. Bitmap connected mining will be activated in a couple days. So that this is from the day they released this, I believe, like over the weekend. And so probably look out for that towards the end of this week or maybe beginning of next week. It says the current mining rate is running without Bitmap support, but stay tuned for the enhanced functionality. Once again, thank you for your support, and we look forward to seeing you in the Bitverse Battleground. So to activate your Bitminer, so you need to go to this link where it says miner.mybitverse.com. And this is the link that Shizzy actually already went to right here. It's going to take you to this link right here, this page right here where you can actually connect your wallets and all that good stuff there. And the first step, it says overview of the Bitminer. Bitminer allows users to mine Foxxi. So that is their token, right? The Foxxi token. So I think it's a synthetic version of their TAP token, and it says using Bitcoin ordinals based miners. The mining process is determined by the power and rarity of each miner, with rewards distributed based on mining performance. So there's different rankings of the miner, right? You have Cosmic at the top, then you have Ultra Mythic, and it goes all the way back down to the common, and each one will, depending on how high it's ranked, the higher it is ranked, the more benefits you'll get in terms of what you can actually mine. It says upcoming drop. Next week, there will be a free on-chain game asset block drop lightsaber to all Bitminers. So if you have a Bitminer, doesn't matter your ranking, you're going to get this really cool lightsaber that you can use in the clan wars. You can actually take people's life away or whatever, their life down. It says that the time and date will be shared soon, so look out for that update. Of course, we're going to update you guys on that. And then it goes to the supported wallets. To begin using the Bitminer, you can connect one of the following supported wallets. Really cool to see Orange Wallet on here. Orange Wallet's getting more integrated into, one of our other partners too. Bitperp is integrating Orange Wallet as well. But you can use Unisat, Xverse, or Orange Wallet to connect. Leather's coming soon, it says right here. All right, so step number 3, setting up your miner. This is the important part. Connect your Ordinals wallet address. Use any supported wallet that we just went over. And then the system will fetch your inscriptions, which determines your miner's power and rarity. So it's going to be able to detect what do you have in terms of the rankings there. Then you need to activate your miner. This is really important, guys. You have to activate your miner. You're going to actually have to do this every day. They have gamified this. So, you can't be lazy and just turn it on. So You have to activate it, and it says after inscriptions are loaded, click the activation button to start mining. So this is just the instruction on how to activate it. So you'll click the activate button, you'll start mining. It says all miners in the wallet will activate with one click. So that's really cool. You don't have to click each one. It will automatically activate all of them. And then it says miner maintenance and status. So you got to check your miner status. This is kind of like whenever you purchase nodes for a new chain or something, you got to make sure they're active. You're not going to earn those emissions, those tokens. So this is the same thing. You got to check your miner status. If it's not active, better make sure it's active so you can start earning. It says miners need periodic maintenance. Check the remaining time by selecting miner rarity, inscription ID. Other miner details like level and overheat status are also displayed. So you need to see what what the status is of right here. You can see like on that actual page, you can see there's a pop out window right here. I'm gonna actually share this real quick so they can see this. There it is. Yeah, so you can see right here. If I zoom in here, it says miner level 0, miner level 5th, maintenance window 16 hours, maintenance before, overheating false. So this one is good. So I just wanted to kind of show that. And then it says miners need, or I already went over that, performing maintenance. If you don't perform maintenance by pressing the maintenance button at the right time, your miners will overheat. Once overheated, you will need to spend Foxxi to skip the cooling time. So you have two options. You can either use your Foxxi to skip that cooling time, or you can wait 24 hours for the miner to cool down naturally. So guys, I actually absolutely love this. This is like being responsible, man. So if you're like, you still live in your mom's basement and you're like almost 40 and like, it's time to be responsible if you're going to get one of these. Leveling up your miner. You can level up the miners to reduce the maintenance window. So that's really cool. If you level that up, then you don't have to maintenance them as often. And then step 5 says mining resources, distribution, and working hours. So mining rewards depend on number of miners. More miners means greater rewards, of course. And then mining power is determined by the miner's inscription and rarity. So that we already went over that, how rare it is and stuff like that. It says miner working hours by rarity. So Cosmic can work for 24 hours without anything. Ultra Mythic 23 goes all the way down the list, all the way to common, which is 16 hours. It says mining resources are updated hourly based on your active miners. All right, step 6. Foxxi, the synthetic token, and the Foxxi token, the actual token, says Foxxi is 1-to-1 with the Foxxi token. So this is exactly what I thought. So synthetic to the actual token. It says the mined Foxxi amount will be credited to you at the TGE event. So whatever you have in Foxxi, you'll get credited at the TGE. And then it says partner token, partner tap token drop will start soon. So this is something they're going to add into this miner system program. So you got Stone, Timber, Steel, and it says which can be used and traded in game. So these are actual like resource assets. That's really cool. You can trade those in game. It says these tokens are essential for building and designing on the creator side of Bitverse. So we met with the Foxxi team, guys. The creator side is going to be open source. It's going to be really cool. So if you're a builder creator, you're going to be able to add like your own custom designs and stuff like that to the Bitverse. All right, step 8 says exclusive USDT mining for Cosmic Miner. So the most rare one that goes 24 hours, you're going to be able to mine USDT. It says USDT Sol address integration. There's an option to add your USDT Sol address exclusively for Cosmic Miners. USDT mining is exclusive to Cosmic Miners, offering enhanced mining capabilities. So that's super bullish if you have a Cosmic. Activation date. The activation date for USDT mining will be shared soon, so you just stay tuned for the updates on that. Unique and valuable drops for other rarities. So there's going to be other stuff, not USDT, that's for Cosmic only, but there's going to be other unique and valuable drops for, down the list. It says similar to Cosmic Miners, other rarities will receive unique and valuable token drops to mine. All right, step 9, creator features and tap testing. On the creator side of Bitverse, the team is testing a token authentication redeem feature on tap, enabling more advanced gameplay and economy integration. And then step 10, initial testing phase, 7 through 14 days. For the first 7 days, the Foxxi team will test the mining algorithm and monitor performance, collect bug reports to identify and address issues. After this phase, the mining algorithm will be updated to increase mining speed based on user feedback. The mining tenure for each miner will range between 7 and 14 days. All right, Step 11, example of mining with connected bitmaps. Mining with connected bitmaps will allow you to tap into specific Bitcoin blocks, which enhances the mining rewards based on characteristics of that block. Here's how it works. So this is where the bitmaps is really cool, and you're going to be able to use the data for that at specific block, and then you benefit depending on the data points. That you're going to have multiple different data points that you can benefit from that block. An example of this was mining with bitmap 8702. When mining with a connected bitmap such as 8702, which has a single transaction, you will get a higher multiplier to mine. The specific block attributes determine the resources you mine. So, for example, block height 8702, transaction count 1, block size 500 bytes, block difficulty 1, unique addresses 1, and then calculated resources. You can see bit Foxxi 10,000, bit gold 0.005, bit ruby, a bunch of zeros in the 1, and then bit silver 0.5. So this is going to be the fun part. This is at a later time and date once they integrate the bitmap mining as well. So, Shizzy, do you want to quickly go over kind of what the experience was for you?
Yeah, definitely. So I got lucky enough. I got 2 ultra mythics and I have 1 rare. So, but there is one thing that I learned is you don't have to activate it. The only time you'll have to activate it is when you first do it, and then if it overheats, you'll have to wait the cooldown time and reactivate it. But all you really need to do if you come here every like 12 hours to 14 hours and just maintain it. Maintaining is real easy. As you can see, I just pressed it, and I'm going to get a notification here at the top that says all 3 have been maintained. See, 3 miners maintained, and then I'm good. I'm good for whatever the shortest amount of time. I think it's like 16 hours. Then I'll come back here tomorrow, and I'll just do it again. And if you keep maintaining it, you never have to activate it, and it will just continuously get you rewards.
Gotcha. Okay. So, yeah, just make sure you're constantly checking it though, because if it overheats, then you got to wait 24 hours.
Yeah.
Or you can use your Foxxi to skip that time, so you can just start mining again. I don't know what is the better strategy, but there's going to be a lot of strategies that come out. So probably going to be a cheat sheet. I'm sure there's going to be multiple cheat sheets that come out, but this is exciting. I mean, this is really cool that you actually get to use your bit miners, especially when the bitmap part comes along, and then you can mine on your bitmap.
Yeah, 100%. And you don't really got to do much. You just come here every 16 hours. So let's just say you set it in the morning, and then before you go to bed, you just maintain it again. And then maybe when you wake up in the morning before work or something, you maintain it again. So just set an alarm on your phone, like every 12 to 14 hours, come maintain it. If you do that, it'll never overheat. But let's say something gets in the way and you can't do that, just let it overheat, wait the cooldown time, and come back. You're not going to lose too much. But as you can see, I've been mining for about 6 hours, and I've already mined about 108 Foxxi, and I got the B stone, the B steel, and the B timber. So I'm guessing I'm going to be able to use these stuff to build stuff on my bitmap, which is awesome.
Yep.
So,
all right, I think that wraps up the tutorial for the Foxxi Bitminer. So guys, get excited because there's going to be more features coming. Report any bugs to the Foxxi team in their Discord. But yeah, so we appreciate you guys listening in. And if you wouldn't mind, just take a moment to check out our partners. BitBTC is a predictions platform that's coming to the Bitcoin ecosystem. BitPerp is a perpetual leverage DEX that's going to be on all Bitcoin layer 2s and in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Going to be really fun with runes. Ordinal Hive is a aggregator for Ordinals Marketplace, also scaled version on Merlin Chain as well. So check those out. And then Foxxi, we just talked about them. The Clan Wars is coming. Fluid tokens, they are innovators on Bitcoin Layer 1 with staking. Make sure you check out their staking because you could be missing out on an opportunity. And of course, Merlin Chain is your #1 scaling solution for Bitcoin native Layer 1 assets and protocols. Thank you guys for checking out our partners.
Yeah, and check out ordinalrevolution.com. Some of the best articles dating all the way back to last year. If you know someone just entering space, send them our website. Really feel like I can help them. We also have discounts for VPN, for tickets to Bitcoin Las Vegas. Check that out. And guys, we're live Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Central, 8 a.m. Pacific, and 3 p.m. UTC. Check us out all week, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Peace.
Ordinal Revolution. Let's go.